Alright guys, here is a video of this even 42-inch or 44-inch Hunter Berkeley ceiling fan, something like that, here at my cousin's house. This is now, again, a couple years ago, this roommate used to live here, and then this room was blocked off, but now they turned it into a baby room because the guy moved out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. I want to try to make this video quick. I'm gonna start with low. It is a little dusty, but I'm not going to mess with it because it's not my fan. My cousin can clean it if he wants to. That's low. Here's medium. Yeah, it is really dusty, which I'm not going to mess with it. Alright, there's medium. Here's high. I gotta make this video quick because I don't want to be up here too much. I did have permission, but I don't want to break it and get in trouble, so. Ooh, that feels good. Like I said, this is now the final 6 ceiling fan. What? Alright, put that back on low. Again, you know what? Oops. That thing fell off. Alright guys, there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Again, feel free to leave any comments if you want to. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until then, that's gonna be it. Until then, thanks for watching. That's it.